Hey, today we want to go step by step very clearly about my agents section. We know this is a very nice tool, and this enables you to create accounts for your team or your clients. The idea is you can share with your clients their widgets. So if you are an agency and you have different clients and you want to share with them what they can do, this is the way to do it. So first, let's go to widgets. Let's create a new widget for my client. Okay, this is my bakery. I want more information, and we choose an icon. Let's choose something with food. This one is good. Okay, and I think we are ready to go. What this is going to be, the category is going to be food. Okay, and we publish. My bakery at 104th Second Avenue. Okay, now the agent, the number we are going to add here, let's pretend is my client's phone number. No, let's say I'm going to put this one. Okay, but you can imagine you are going to create this widget for your client, and you are going to add here their phone number, and that's fine. I mean, that's something that, the only issue is you are not going to see the leads they receive unless you go to the control panel, but that's fine. Bakery, Peter's Bakery, master of bakery. Okay, and let's choose a photo. Let's pretend this is Peter, and we update, and the widget right now is ready to go. Okay, this is my bakery. We can contact this company. So all this is working. This is going well. You are happy, and let's think your client is going to request access to their account. So they want to see what's going on. Can I send payments to my clients, and so on. Okay, so to do that, let's go to my agents, and we create a new agent. The first is the email. So let's pretend this is peter@bakery.com, and the password is going to be just this one. We enable, and we also enable for this agent to receive emails, so we can send them updates. So this is the second step is you need to define which widget this person or this company or this agent is going to see. Okay, so we are going to choose this one, my bakery, Peter. Okay, yes, we confirm that, and now Peter has access to this widget. There is a second level of well, let's see this one, how this works, and then we see the secondary. There is another extra option. So you can copy this link. Copy link. This link is where they log in, where your clients are going to log in. So I'm going to open an incognito window. We put this one. Oops. Why it's not a copy link address? File. No, that's not. That link is not. I'm not copying. This is saying I can personalize that. Okay. Okay, so that, yeah, sorry, that means no, this is for extra options, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to log in as this agent. Okay, I'm going to copy this. let me open a new incognito window and let's go to services and let's log in here. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put this here. Okay. Okay. So now what happens? Now I'm the agent. I'm Peter. Let me move this a bit away from here so we can see a few options we have here. Well, first, here we enable your phone number as admin for support. This means your client can contact you from here using WhatsApp. And before, it's true we had our button, and that's confusing. We think it's better to have your button here, and this is for support, so they can contact you. Because I'm Peter, I have here my account information, and this is the idea is I can change this information, I can update this information. So this is about my profile. Okay, this logo can be customized. This is the logo you can add in your profile. Now we are going to check those options. Okay, and what I have here, I have the leads, I have campaigns. Campaigns is something you can do to do outbound, and you can use payment links. That means you can create payment links for this agent and he can share those payments with their clients. So that the idea is for you to share access to your client in their account. Okay, and this is something I think that works quite good. Let's go back to your account for 1 second so we can see a few more options. You can personalize your user's login if you set your business Slack. It's true. I mean, you need to create like your business name. So let's say my cool agency business Slack. Let's put it here. My cool agency website, mycoolagency.com. Screen name, my cool agency. And I think well, you can choose your photo if you want to. That's also very important. This is your phone number. This is the phone number that will be shown as support because it's your admin phone number. So this is something the same. Your phone number is not the agent's phone number. Your phone number is purely for admin purpose. So this is something you can check. Let's go to branding so we can choose here a logo. Let's see if I have something here. Something small. What's that? Okay, this pirate looks cool. And this is a new option that we are testing right now, and we think it's going to work well. But this is just testing, so you can add your own subdomain. Okay, my cool agency. Okay, and this will create my cool agency to chat.b. Okay. Okay, so we have the logo, we have the subdomain. Okay, so now this should be okay. So let's go back to my agents. Your users can log in on your business login link. Okay, so this is good. We are going to copy this link, and now this should work. So let's log out from here, and let's go here. Okay, so as you can see, I mean, I know for sure you will have a better logo, and this is just what I did to show you how this looks like. But this is the idea is to share with your clients this login page, so your clients will see your your logo, your name. There is nothing about us anywhere. It's true, it's on the domain, but that's something we need to we are trying to get that done. I mean, that will be an extra option, but this is something we can do. But this is something that is still on the works. But let's see if the subdomain works. My cool agency.chat.p. Okay, that works, but doesn't have all the customization yet. So we are still working on those things, but the subdomain is working. So this is a very nice add-on. It's true that we still have our own domain to chat.b, but you can use your subdomain, and I think that creates a better experience, for you, your clients, everyone. But this is this will be your own login page. Okay, this is something that is completely white label. It's just for you, with your logo, with your name, and everything will be there. We will add more information here to make it more personalized, and probably we will add an option to customize this background color. Okay, so let's log in with Peter at bakery.com. I think I did this for the password. Okay, so that's good. We have Peter. This is your logo. So here you will have your own logo. Everything else is, like a purely white label. There is nothing about us, about our company. No footer, no nothing. Just your information and your support phone number. So I think this is nice because your customers, may have questions, may have issues, may have something, and you want to give them access to, support. So this is for you to share it. Finally, I want to share with you one extra option, and is you can grant access to your clients to edit the widget. Not everything, but a few good options. So you can manage widgets. You can enable this. That will be for my bakery. Okay. So we give them, editing capabilities. Okay. This is something that is already here. And let's go to the other tab. We go here, we reload. And what happens now is the user is going to have editing capabilities. So if you go to widgets, now your user can edit the widget itself. We don't, at this moment, we don't enable creating or adding new agents. This is something they need to ask you to do. Why? Because otherwise you will lose control of everything that is happening here. We think it's better for you to know who is using your tool, and we think it's better to know. They can change everything about design. This is something they can do whatever they want. They can go to the design section. They can create all the options you have here. So they have access to a few good things, but not everything. And we think it's good this way. If you think otherwise, please share a comment, send us a WhatsApp, and we will work on that. We know you want to give the client as much access as possible, but we think right now this is a fair amount of editing capabilities for them to manage their leads, their widgets. So I hope it's clear. I hope it makes sense for you. Just to recap, you can share access for your clients. You can give them control on their widgets, campaigns, leads, everything. But you need to create those users. You need to create the user and give them access. Everything is white label for you. We are working on the domain thing just to make it as white label as possible, but this will happen soon. Okay, so stay in touch. Thank you very much. Bye bye.